Welcome back, amazing people. Thank you all for clicking today's video. God bless you. So guys, I'm back again with an amazing haircut for our beautiful queen. As you can see, guys, there's one thing I love in barbing and another thing I love more, the carving. Oh my goodness, the carving. As you can see, this beautiful haircut for beautiful queens. They're going to style like mine. You're going to style, it depends the color you want. I bring different styles, different colors for you. This summer we are gonna rock. If either you go on braiding or low cuts, your big girl got you. If it's your first time seeing my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Check my videos, my previous videos to see I have different type of hairstyles. My channel is all about hairstyles, different type for men, women, kids. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you have any hairstyle you want me to bring for you, please comment down like in the comment section so that I will get it for you. I will bring the video and I will show you everything that you need. As you can see, let me leave you to enjoy this amazing style. Guys, initially I usually love this gold, but now I'm seeing different type of hair colors. I think I'm loving another color. I'm going to try another color next time. What do you guys think? The carving is giving. Can you see this green? I think I'm actually loving green. I love all the colors. It depends your choice. Thank you all for watching. Bye.